Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and find the additional settings. They should be right under the language and region. And as you can see, on the third position we've got date and time, so let's tap here. And now the first option is the clock format, so now we can decide if you want to use the 24-hour format or 12-hour format. In order to use 12-hour format, we have to tap on this switcher to turn off the 24-hour format, and from now on it will be successfully applied. What's more, we can decide if you want to use the network provided time just like now, or you can set it manually. So in order to do that, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, the set time option is active, so we can tap on it, and by swiping we can choose the date and the time you want to use. And as you can see, it is immediately applied not only here but also on the status bar. What's more, we can change the time zone. Just tap here and find the time zone you want to use. For example, this one, just tap on it. And as you can see, it is also immediately changed and applied. Under it, we've got the home screen world clock and dual clock options. So in order to turn on the home screen world clock, just tap on the switcher right here. And in order to use dual clock, tap on the switcher here. We can tap on dual clock, and here we've got some options to customize. We can tap on usual residence, tap on OK, and we can set the city or the district name. Let me get back, and here we've got the display dual clock on, so here we can decide where we want to set it, so we can apply it to our lock screen, home screen, or both. But let me get back and let me turn off those options. So actually this is how to manually change date and time, but if you want to use the network provided time, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied to our status bar. Let me pick the 24-hour format, and it is also activated. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.